Meron, no? May notes. May notes.
Good evening po lahat. So, bago ang lahat, wala bang masigawang palakpakan para sa bagong sakal? Hindi, kasal pala, kasal. First of all po, ako po si Dave, ang nag-iisang gwapong kapatid ni Kuya Clarence.
Oh!
Unang-una sa lahat, congrats ate at kuya. Finally, ate! Masasabi ko na welcome ka sa family namin.
Wow!
I witnessed how you guys support each other
Wow!
and love each other for 11 years. Matagal-tagal ha? Ay kuya naman, you've been very supportive sa family natin. Simula bata pa kami ni Ate Louie. Salamat sa mga mabuting pangaral sa amin. Turning us to be a better person today. Lagi ka mag-iingat.
Wow!
Sa iyo Ate Hilak, thank you for being so kind and generous sa amin. Sa lahat ng holidays na kasama ka namin, it's been very memorable. And ayun lang, congratulations to both of you. Pakarami kayo hanggang gusto nyo. Thank you. Ayun lang po.
Wow! Thank you, ChatGPT!
Thank you. Round of applause. That was a wonderful message. Ang daming fans ni Dave, ah. Ang daming fans. Wow.